There's nothing more important to Manscaped than balls. And there's nothing more important to the Testicular Cancer Society than saving balls. How perfect. The two ball-loving, ball-saving, ballerific organizations came together to create a new special edition trimmer, the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. The thin purple band wraps around the trimmer to add a shimmering reminder to check your sack. And it looks sleek too. It has the same performance features you know and love, so you can be on the cutting edge of cutting pubes and on top of the lump check game. Let's get into it. No one knows your business like you, so the Lawn Mower 5.0 includes 2 interchangeable skin-safe blade heads, 3 comb attachments, they're purple, get it? And 7 possible length settings for a precise shave your barber would be proud of. You know, if your barber saw your balls. To attach a comb, slide it over the front of your trimmer with the notches sliding into the grooves. For adjustable combs, adjust the length by moving the notches up or down. To remove each blade head, push the bottom of the blade head with your thumb in the direction of the arrow. And to install each blade, insert it blade side up into the slot at the top of the trimmer. Then press back until it snaps in place. The special edition Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has a one-touch start, stop, and an easy-to-use multifunction button. Quick press the multifunction button to toggle between multiple LED light settings that are designed to match different skin tones and help illuminate where you're mowing. And if you're on the go, you can press and hold your device for 3 seconds. This will set the travel lock so TSA doesn't bat an eye at the buzz in your bag. When you're good to groom, just press start. This tool was expertly engineered for your unmentionables, so feel free to get close with yourself. Keep the flat side of your trimmer pressed flush against your skin and glide gently with your body for total control. Pro tip: when your boys are nice and clean, it's a great time to do a self-test for lumps. When you're shaving, try to avoid raking. Move the blade in the opposite direction of growth for a closer shave. Then let the lawnmower do all the work. Whether you're shaving your chest, underarms, legs, or balls, slowly glide until you're satisfied. For a more effortless trim, use the trimmer blade while dry. With the thicket cleared, use the foil blade for a smooth finish. To clean the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra, turn the trimmer off, pull off the comb, and pop off the trimmer or foil blade head. This waterproof trimmer doesn't mind getting a little wet, so with everything detached, simply rinse each piece under the faucet until all the hair is gone. When you're done, shake off the excess water and lay them out to air dry. Once dry, plug the included USB-C charger into the device and set your future self up for a full charge with up to 60 minutes of runtime. When charging, the LED indicator will blink and the meter will start to light up. A completely solid light indicates a full charge. Get the special edition Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra at manscaped.com and help the Testicular Cancer Society save balls.